Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is your tech news. AI boom, huge money, big questions. Let's start with the topic dominating everything right now, artificial intelligence. Since the beginning of the year, tech giants like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta and NVIDIA have announced hundreds of billions of dollars in AI and infrastructure investment. Sounds impressive, but the market reaction has not been pure excitement. Investors are nervous, and for one simple reason. When doesn't all this start making real money? AI is growing fast, but it's expensive, and right now, profitability is still a big question mark. Amazon and 200 billion AI bet. Amazon shocked the market by revealing plan to invest $200 billion into AI and cloud infrastructure. Instead of celebration, the stock dipped. Why? Because massive spending means thinner margins, at least in the short terms. The message from Wall Street is clear. Everyone wants AI, but no one wants to pay the bill just yet. AMD step up against NVIDIA. For years, NVIDIA has ruled the AI hardware worlds, but AMD is pushing back hard. At start of the year, AMD unveiled new AI system and data center GPUs, designed to compete directly with NVIDIA dominance. This news is great, because real competition means faster innovation and better prices. For the first time in a while, NVIDIA is not alone at the top. Samsung teased the Galaxy S26. Samsung has already started teasing the Galaxy S26, and the focus is clear cameras, battery low light performance, more advanced zoom, and heavy AI image processing. The phone is not yet, but Samsung message is loud and clear. Mobile photography still has room to evolve. The first foldable iPhone? Multiple leaks suggest Apple is working on its first foldable phone. Not launching tomorrow, not even this year. But development is happening. Apple never wants to be first, it wants to be right. And if Apple enters the foldable market, it could complete reshape smartphone design. Controversy around silicon carbon batteries. A new generation of silicon carbon promises long battery life and faster charging, but there's growing debate around safety and lifespan. This could be a breakthrough technology, or one that still needs a few years to improve itself. Data center in space. This one sounds like science fiction, but it's real. Companies are exploring the idea of orbital data center powered by solar energy. The goal? Massive computing power with global reach. The future of cloud computing might literally be above our heads. Technology is advancing faster than we are ready to manage it. AI is exploding, hardware is evolving, and science is still trying to catch it up. If you want to stay ahead of what's coming next, make sure to subscribe.